Nowadays, the supply has the major reason behind the success of any token. Especially, you can see the Unisocks token, and also you can check out the PMGT token. At this time, the price of the both tokens are in thousands of dollars. And today in this video, I am going to share a new token, Ether Pro Finance EPF token. I will share all the details, and right now the team announced about the private sale, and you have the chance to buy this token directly from the private sale, because this token will also gain the price up to minimum $4,000 to $5,000 in near future. So stay tuned with us if you want to know something more about EP.
Feel uninvited.
In the starting, I will tell you about the airdrop which is ongoing at this time. EPF airdrop of 20,000 US dollar. So you can easily join with your full name and with your email address, Telegram username, Twitter username, and at the end you have to enter your personal MyEther wallet address. Now, what is Ether Pro Finance all about? It is the newest higher performance decentralized finance, DeFi, advanced features, staking, swap, and DEX platforms. Now, the second thing which is entirely important for the traders, that is a private sale. At this time, the team already announced about the private sale, so it is entirely very easy. I will share the link of the form. So what you have to do for that, only you have to send the Ethereum to the team, and they are going to send you the EPF token. The entire supply of the token is only and only 770 EPF token, and at this time this token is on MXC exchange, Uniswap exchange, and very soon you will be able to check out this token on number of exchanges. And also the best part about this token, that the team is offering number of things, like especially the you can say the best thing, the public sale hard cap is only and only 470 EPF, and 1 EPF is equal to 1 Ethereum, and you have the chance to buy this token with only and only 0.25 Ethereum minimum. So definitely this token will reach up to 4,000 to 5,000. Here you can see the entire form. It's entirely very easy. You just have to enter the wallet address in which you want to receive your EPF token, and secondly you have to send the Ethereum on the main address first of all, and the minimum buy is only and only 0.25 Ethereum, and maximum it's up to you whatever you want to purchase. So you must have to read all the things on the main platform, and I will share the links of both forms, especially the airdrop form for the freebies, and for the traders I will share the form of the public sale, so you can purchase the token directly from the team at very low price at this time. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. This coin will definitely give you a moonshot very easily, and as I told you that my own price prediction about this token is about $4,000 in near future. So grab the opportunity right now. Thanks a lot.